All right, everyone, it is February, and this is going to be the first day that I'm going to crack the grill open, and we're going to make some ribeye steak with some homemade buttery garlic and chive spread. That's going to smother the steak. It's going to be amazing. It's going to bring all the flavors out. Stay tuned. Here we are, and this is going to be just amazing. The steak is going to be so amazing. I'm so excited. So our side item is going to be some fresh potatoes and carrots with some garlic. That's going to be the side item. But check out these steaks right here. These steaks are like grade A. When you see this marbling like this, that you know that is going to be pure flavor. All right. So of course, you got to get the pepper. Got to get the cracked pepper on there. So don't be bashful. Plenty of pepper is extremely important, because a good steak, and I've said it before, doesn't really need a whole lot. It just needs some fresh ground pepper and some sea salt. But in this case, we're going to be making a nice spread made out of garlic and chives, and it's going to bring out the flavor. It's going to be amazing. Look at the marbling. Look at the marbling on that. It is amazing. All right, now for the sea salt. Gotta get that sea salt in there. Now, this might seem like it's a lot, but it's actually the right amount of sea salt to caramelize and bring the fat and the meat together. But listen, fat is not a bad thing in this case. Yeah, this is my old trusty grill. It's rusted, but let me tell you, it emanates the best flavor out there. That's why I use it. All right, so we put it right on there. That's gonna get some nice char. That's gonna get some nice char on there. Look at that. Ooh. Look at the char on that already. You see that? That is absolutely amazing. So we're gonna let this cook in here. So while that's happening, I'm gonna chop up the chives. Okay, you can't make a good spread without fresh chives. Chives and fresh minced garlic. Absolutely a must. Take this. We got the butter right here. Look at that. Fresh butcher grade butter. All right, so we're gonna put some of these chives in there. Just put it right in there just like that. And then we're gonna take some fresh minced garlic. Look at that. Man, I'm getting hungry. I think my camera team is getting hungry. All right, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that mix. That is looking beautiful. You're going to see it's going to be absolutely amazing. We have got our buttery chive spread. It's gonna be amazing. Let's bring this over here. Let's bring this over here. Let's look at this. Ooh, man! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that steak! Look at that! Let's get a close up. Let's get a close up. Look at that! Wow! That's gonna be so good. So good. All right. So here it is, right here. We're gonna take this, just like this. Look at this. Oh yeah. Just like this, and we're just gonna rub it on there like that. Just rub it on there like that. Look at that. Now, it's not gonna be long, and this is gonna be ready. All right, so put this on there just like that. Look at that. All right, so now we're gonna bring the potatoes and carrots. Gotta have a nice side. It's gonna be amazing. Look at that. Let's put some oil. In case you're wondering what kind of oil I use, I like to use avocado oil. It's healthier and it also tastes a lot better. You put it on there just like that. And let that just cook Nice. Let's look at. We have got to taste the product. I'm gonna put a little bit more spread on this one. Look at this. Oh. All right, so let's go right here. Let's go right here. Look at that. Look how tender. Look at tender this is.